What's up everyone? So I'm out here with my brother Kaze here. You might remember him from some of the older videos back in the day where he's been hiding from here, but he's coming back out today.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. And we're heading up the road to find some new areas, or at least new to me, to add to our island girl tours that I've been doing on the north coast and all over Trinidad.
Basically a scouting mission today.
A scouting mission. So you know my boy here have real knowledge, he know plenty thing, and he's always very willing to share with me and give us the history and knowledge and the location of sites. So we're going up. I think we have about 4 or 5 stops today?
About 4 or 5, yeah, give or take.
So where,
might be more.
Where are we stopping?
We're stopping at Rincon Basin first today.
Okay, and where else we going from there? Straight to the end?
We go into Avoca Waterfall, one named Wolf Waterfall, and we should finish at Las Lapas Lookout.
Nice.
A whole west to east tour today.
Nice. So yeah, he tell me this might take us a whole day thing. I might even have to come back home through a reamer. But that's good because he'll get a drop home if that's the case. But guys, check it out. Let's go and see everything. And I might break this video up into 3 or 4 parts because it's such a full day. So tune in next week and the week after and the week after. Blessings, let me go. Alright guys, so we're at our first stop right now. I'll let my boy here give you the rundown on this place. Now keep in mind, yes, as you can see, I'm showing some directions I need to get to these places, but they're not straightforward, especially if you don't really know these areas or you're not like a seasoned hiker, you know. So I'm bringing this to you because we can offer these things to you on tour in a safe capacity with good local knowledge. If you want to try it by yourself, by all means, but be very careful. And it takes a bit of effort to get to these places. So my boy here now, where we at?
We are at the Rincon, the start of the Rincon trail right now. And we're going to put up a marker to show people how not to get lost. You always look for, well, our color is pink. So when you see pink markers, you know, just strip and put on these markers. It's just to show the start of the trail. So when you see it, you shouldn't get too lost. This trail leads you to Rincon Basin.
Very good. All right. So let's go and check out Rincon Basin. It's my first time. A lot of the things today is going to be my first time.
Reach.
What a beautiful little bathing spot. This is real nice. It has like a mini waterfall and then like 2 pools with a log going up in the center. Let me go and have a look. So you can access the basin from 2 sides. Over there where my boy is. And then I've come up this side here. Of course you can go up through the middle if you don't mind getting wet, but these are the 2 dry options. So back here, and then either that side up there. This spot is absolutely beautiful. And there's a pool down there behind me where you could swim. It's not very deep, but safe to go into. And then this pool here, you can see where I'm standing up, you could stand, but then it gets quite deep. So non-swimmers beware. Shallow. Deep. Well guys, I hope you enjoy this beautiful trip to the Rincon Basin.
Rincon Basins.
Really epic. Not overly difficult, but a little bit difficult to find, but really beautiful for swimming and bathing. Lovely, lovely pools. So that brings today's episode to a close. As you know, this is a running series we're going to do with this trip because it's a long trip. Where are we going to next?
Avoca Waterfall.
Avoca Waterfall. Not to be confused with Avocat Waterfall.
Minus the T.
Minus the T. Avoca. That is where we head into next. Up on the Arima Old Road, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah? So join us next week to continue this adventure. Blessings to my boy Kaze. You're going to be seeing him plenty much again. Let we go. Respect.